Copying a file. To copy a file which we have previously created in another folder, right-click and select New having sub-option Folder. This is a new folder which we have created right now. Right-click on the target file and select Copy. Now go to the new folder where we want to paste the file. Right-click and select the Paste option. Here we have copied the selected file. To move the file to the new folder which we have created, right-click on the file and select Cut. Now go to the destination where you want to move the file. And select the Paste option. When we cut the file, the original file will move to that folder. But when we copy the file in some other folder, the original file will remain unchanged.